As a beginner content creator, I often wonder if there are any AI tools available that can help me easily create videos, complete with narration, without requiring any advanced skills. To simplify my search, I turned to ChatGPT for recommendations on AI tools, whether free trial-based, or subscription-based, that could meet my needs. One of the tools ChatGPT suggested was Pictory.ai for video creation, along with Snappa for designing the thumbnails for the video. Here's my experience using these tools. I started with exploring the Pictory.ai. I found it to be a highly useful tool for creating videos. The platform offers a 14-day free trial, which I used to create my first video. The process was surprisingly smooth and straightforward, thanks to its guided features. Pictory.ai simplifies video creation by converting your provided script into a video. It also offers a variety of templates, AI-generated voiceovers, text recommendations, and design features to help edit and enhance the generated video. However, I did notice a few limitations with the free trial. The advanced AI voice feature is limited to 20 tests. Occasionally, the preview process would get stuck, requiring to reload the web page to continue. Removing the watermark and unlocking additional features require upgrading to a paid plan. Pictory.ai's paid plans come with various options. While the pricing is slightly higher compared to other tools, I believe the paid plans offer a better overall experience. For instance, if you have some basic video editing skills, the starter plan at $19 per month should be sufficient to kickstart your video creation journey. After completing my video, I turned to Snappa to design the thumbnail. The process was seamless and user-friendly. I selected a background and adjusted the font size to suit the design. However, Snappa also has some limitations. The free version limits the number of downloads you can make each month. The upload feature does not support all image formats, meaning certain file types need to be converted before uploading. Background removal is not included and requires the use of another tool prior to uploading the image to Snappa. Snappa's pricing is more affordable if you opt for the yearly subscription, which costs $10 per month, compared to the monthly plan at $15 per month. If you're planning to create thumbnails regularly, I recommend considering the annual plan for better value. Overall, my experience with Pictory.ai and Snappa has been positive. Both tools are easy to use and well suited for beginners in content creation. While there are some limitations with the free versions, upgrading to paid plans unlocks additional features that enhance the overall experience. For anyone starting their journey as a content creator, these tools provide a great foundation for creating professional-looking videos and thumbnails without requiring advanced skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on free and popular apps.